If you have viewed my e-bike reviews here on the channel, you've seen some B-roll, captured with a Hover Air 1 selfie drone, the Insta360 1RS camera, and my iPhone with a very short tripod. The tripod shots have usually disappointed me because the tripod is just a few inches off the ground. And I've been looking for something better to help me capture better video content and more. For the past couple of weeks, I've been using an accessory that has proven to be exactly what I needed for better content capture and that provides me with an opportunity to capture more content in more places. Hello everybody, this is Matthew Miller, otherwise known as Palm Solo, and thanks for visiting the Mobile with Matt YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing and leaving comments as I try to respond to all of them, and I love interacting with the viewers. So the device that you see in my hand is the KraftGeek JustTap Tapped Open Tripod. It now not only provides me with ability to capture better e-bike, running shoe, and other video content, but it also provides me with the flexibility to record videos on the go without packing along my large Sony digital camera. So I expect to be able to record more often and hope to bring you more content in both shorts and long-term video review. Before I dive into more details on my experiences, let's just cover a couple of the key features of the JustTap Tripod. These include one tap to release the tripod, 180-degree dual axis rotation, which I'll show you, silicone padded pinch-free clamp, a minimum height of 13 inches, and a maximum height of 5.5 feet or 1680 millimeters, and a sturdy three-legged base with aluminum build on the extended shaft. So just covering some of the hardware. The outside of the tripod is a very sturdy, hard plastic material, and it's available in either white or black. As you can see here, I have the white one in hand. The extension pole itself is made in of aluminum alloy with some plastic material, and it's designed for more than 5,000 extensions. The tripod itself weighs in at 14.8 ounces or 420 grams, and in the standard closed condition, it's just over 13 inches tall and about 1.5 inches in diameter. This compact size actually makes it very easy to pack along wherever you may want to shoot content. And in my typical travel bag that I take on an airplane with me, with my water bottle and everything, it's very simple and compact to be able to just open up a pocket, slide it in there, and it just disappears. You hardly even know that you have a full tripod with you. Simply pull that out, and there we go. We're ready to go with the tripod. The top of the tripod that holds your phone extends. And as you can see there, it extends out. It has silicone pads to protect your phone, and the clamp holds it very securely in place. You can actually rotate it 180 degrees with two different hinges. It could be 180 degrees one way and 180 degrees the other way. This allows you to easily switch between portrait and landscape mode and also the opposite portrait mode. And then also it tilts so that now I can record videos of me using devices with both of my hands and having the tripod angled above with the phone facing down to be able to capture that content. The two hinges feel very tight and secure. I suppose over the long term they may loosen up a little bit, but right now they're nice and tight and they hold everything in the angle that you move it to. And I've really struggled to be able to capture content facing down like that with my Sony camera, since I don't have a top mount and I haven't purchased all the other accessories that are needed, whereas something like this for $30 is a perfect solution to my needs. I hope to improve my videos moving forward thanks to the KraftGeek JustTap Tripod, so stay tuned for more of that. Speaking of the phone clamp, you simply pull it to one side to extend it, and it fits phones that are 2.35 to 3.35 inches wide. Now, my standard phone for video, of course, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I would just extend it like that and be able to fit in there no problem. Switch it between portrait, landscape mode, vertical, down, all those different things. Now, also a wider phone that you may have is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if I put that in one side, extend it out, it fits perfectly well. No problem at all for a wide phone like the S25 Ultra. And then we go to the other smaller extreme and we have something like a Google Pixel 9 or 9 Pro. Again, slide it in there, fits in just perfectly. No problem at all. The silicone clamps and the little angle on each side hold it in place. There's no wobble or anything else. It's very secure. In addition to the tripod securely holding your phone at a range of heights and angles, a very small Bluetooth remote control magnetically attaches right there to the side of the tripod. You simply press and hold on the top button to the flashing green light to pair it to your phone. It charges up via standard USB-C. With a camera app open on your smartphone, a press of the remote control captures a photo, or it starts and stops the video recording. Very basic control with the Bluetooth remote up to 33 feet, so that's kind of nice to have. Now, one thing is the iPhone now has the ability, similar as Android has forever, to be able to pause your video and then start recording again. Unfortunately, the remote only starts and stops video recording. It does not yet support the ability to pause the video, which would be a great feature to have. Otherwise, you have to stitch together a bunch of separate videos. So I would like the ability to be able to pause my videos, because sometimes I do that when I'm recording. I want to take a different angle or gather my thoughts again, something like that. So it would be nice to see that advanced remote be able to pause and play, pause and start and stop video, as well as just start and stop. One of the main features of the KraftGeek tripod is the ability to open it up easily with one hand. So if I just take this tripod, I tap it on a surface, the bottom tripod piece opens up, and there we go. Now you just simply extend out however high you want the tripod to be, and you have the full control over that. It's pretty stiff, and it's through any height. It's not like each segment you have to go to. You can go through half a segment and everything else. And then, of course, you mount your phone, and then you choose the different angles of that, and everything is ready to go. And one of the things I worried about this tripod was the promise of 5.5 feet of extension without my phone falling down. The base is quite good and wide enough, and then when you extend that fully up and put your phone in there, it actually does remain in place. So I will be able to capture those selfie videos and things with it fully extended, although I don't imagine I'll always be at that height. But it's surprisingly how sturdy and stable it is, even at that extended length. And then folding it up is just as easy as it is to extend it. You simply slide everything back down together, everything closes up, make sure it's clamped together, and there you go. A nice, compact, easy solution. I want to thank KraftGeek for the opportunity to test out JustTap Tap to Open Tripod. After it arrived and I started using it, that's when I went and looked up the website, and I was really pretty surprised by the affordable $30 price point. I didn't think at all that this would be that affordable, because I've seen tripods for cameras and other phones before that can cost $100 or more. So to see it at $30, I was very surprised by that. And if you use the code PalmSolo15, you can even save 15% more off that price. That's $4.50 when you purchase it via the KraftGeek store. If you prefer to purchase via Amazon, please consider using my affiliate link for that purchase as well. And if you capture still or video content with your smartphone and you don't have a full production team, you don't have a videographer, you don't have a photographer, you don't have people to shoot your video, you're doing this all by yourself like I am most of the time, the KraftGeek JustTap Tripod is a great accessory, especially at that price point. It should improve your ability to capture creative content, and it is now part of my creator toolset, and I look forward to using it regularly. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe and share. Interact with me here, and stay tuned for more coverage of various types of products related to technology and mobility, including e-bikes, wearables, fitness, health gear, and more. And may the mobile force be with you.